Today we have a 2015 Mazda 3 with 2.5 liter engine. We're replacing the 4 spark plugs. First thing we're going to do is pop off the top cover, just pull it upward. When we get to here, we're going to disconnect all the connectors to the ignition coils here. Don't let that cross you. This will normally be here. Don't worry too much about what else I have disconnected. I'm going to do the valve cover in a moment, or the valve cover gasket, so you'll see that video as well. So now with all that disconnected, number 8, we're going to remove the 4 ignition coils. Once we remove those 4 bolts, just pop out the ignition coils and I'll get ready to remove the spark plug. Okay, our ignition coils have been removed. So if you look in there, it's kind of a deep well for the spark plug. It's its own little area. The gasket sits around it. So with the 9/16, not the traditional, 5/8 spark plug socket, we're going to go in there, remove all 4 spark plugs, and get ready to install the new ones. All right, guys, I got all 4 spark plugs removed. As you can see, they were ready to go. So now we're just going to go ahead and install our new ones. The torque spec is between 12 to 14 foot-pounds, so let's go ahead and get those installed. All right, guys, all 4 spark plugs have been installed. Torque down, I did 13 foot-pounds just in between. Just go ahead and slide all my ignition coils back in and put the number 8 bolts back on top. And that is it. We are done. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe for more videos.